Video 8. Groups and Comps. Create a new layer or group. 1. Do one of the following. To create a new layer or group using default options, click the Create a New Layer button or New Group button in the Layers panel. Choose Layer, New, Layer, or choose Layer, New, Group. Choose New Layer or New Group from the Layers panel menu. 2. Set Layer Options and click OK. Name specifies a name for the layer or group. Use Previous Layer to create clipping mask. This option is not available for groups. Color assigns a color to the layer or group in the Layers panel. Mode specifies a blending mode for the layer or group. Opacity specifies an opacity level for the layer or group. Fill with mode, neutral color, fills the layer with a preset neutral color. Create a new layer with effects from another layer. Select the existing layer in the Layers panel. 2. Drag the layer to create a new layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. The newly created layer contains all the effects of the existing one. Convert a selection into a new layer. 1. Make a selection. 2. Do one of the following. Choose Layer, New, Layer via Copy to copy the selection into a new layer. Choose Layer, New, Layer via Cut to cut the selection and paste it into a new layer. Apply and view layer comps. Do any of the following. To view a layer comp, you first need to apply it in the document. In the Layer Comp panel, click the Apply Layer Comp icon next to a selected comp. To cycle through a view of all the layer comps, use the Previous and Next buttons at the bottom of the panel. To cycle through a selected view of comps, select the comps in the Layer Comps panel, and then click the Next and Previous buttons at the bottom of the panel. This cycles through only the comps you selected. To restore the document to its state before you chose a layer comp, click the Apply Layer Comp icon next to Last Document State at the top of the Layer Comp panel.